Lead AI has just been released, and if you're looking to discover the 7 crucial things you need to know about this cutting-edge software, you're in the right place. This review will give you the insights you need to decide if Lead AI should be your next go-to tool. Make sure you stay until the end, as I'll share a few hidden features that can completely change the way you use AI for marketing and lead generation. First off, Lead AI is a game changer for digital marketers. It uses powerful machine learning algorithms to automate tasks that typically require hours of manual work. Imagine generating leads and nurturing them with minimal input. That's exactly what Lead AI offers. With its intuitive interface, anyone, regardless of their technical skills, can start using this tool right away. If you're new to AI, don't worry. Lead AI is designed with ease of use in mind. Now let's dive into the first crucial point. Lead AI excels at predictive analytics, helping you identify which leads are most likely to convert. By analyzing patterns in user behavior, Lead AI gives you the ability to focus on leads that are ready to make a purchase. This means less time wasted on cold leads and more focus on high-potential prospects. This alone can drastically improve your ROI. Another standout feature is its automation capabilities. Lead AI can handle everything from lead capture to follow-up, allowing you to set up custom workflows and let the software take care of the rest. Whether it's sending personalized emails or scheduling follow-up tasks, this software can save you countless hours each week, freeing up your time for other high-priority tasks. Lead AI also integrates seamlessly with many of the tools you're already using. Whether it's your CRM, email marketing platform, or social media channels, Lead AI connects effortlessly with your existing stack. This makes implementation smooth and eliminates the need for a complex setup process. When it comes to data security, Lead AI takes it seriously. With data privacy being a hot topic these days, the software adheres to the strictest industry standards to ensure that your information is always secure. This is essential if you're working with sensitive customer data. The fifth feature you need to know is its ANTA scalability. Cheese. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Lead AI can scale with your needs. As your business grows, the software adapts and continues to deliver results. This scalability is crucial for businesses that want to invest in long-term growth without outgrowing their tools. Lead AI's user-friendly dashboard is a huge advantage. Everything is laid out in a way that's easy to understand and navigate. The dashboard provides real-time insights into your campaigns, so you can quickly identify what's working and what's not. This feature is perfect for marketers who need to make quick decisions based on data-driven insights. Finally, Lead AI has a powerful customer support system. Whether you need help with setup, troubleshooting, or optimizing your use of the software, the support team is there to assist. This is a huge benefit for anyone who's new to AI tools and needs some guidance along the way. You can actually try Lead AI for free, and if you want to get started today, simply click the first link in the description below. Trust me, after trying thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that Lead AI stands out from the crowd, offering a blend of powerful features and ease of use that you'll appreciate. And before you go, check out my recommended AI tools in the description. These are the software solutions I've personally tested and believe are the best for your business. Whether you're new to AI or a seasoned pro, these tools can help streamline your marketing efforts and take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching.